Hey folks, today we are outside of Luray, Virginia in the George Washington National Forest, and we are going to hike to Duncan Knob. Let's do it. We are starting out on the Gap Creek Trail. There's some parking back there. I don't know, 5 spots, something like that. Had some rain last night, and everything is wet. Gap Creek Trail is blazed in blue. It is a beautiful morning. Clear skies. Had to shed a layer. Looks like there's some mist up there. It's really been beautiful so far. At 1.2 miles, we're gonna have to make a choice here. We're staying to the left on the Gap Creek Trail, not going to the right on that yellow blazed Scott Horn Gap Trail. Just about 1.5 miles. Looks like there's some potential campgrounds over here. We're gonna head towards Duncan Knob now, and that is on the White Blaze Trail on your left. On the White Trail there is a smaller campground here, but with a big fire ring. The trail's getting more rocky here. I don't know if I'm on the trail. I'm traversing underneath that cliff and just going up the rocks. I'll let you know if it goes to the top or not. Alright, we're making it up to the top. Little fire ring up here, as is customary in this area. And let's go check out the view. Light breeze, it is beautiful up here. Luray, Virginia is just in the valley there. That mountain range out there to the east is Shenandoah National Forest and the Blue Ridge Mountains. So we got up here in about 50 minutes, 1.8 miles. I think it's worth it. Today we ascended 1,100 feet. That's the highest ground behind us. All right, that was cool. Let's head back to the parking area now. That was 3.74 miles in just under 2 hours. It was a great hike, you know, 2 hours, plenty of views up there, and the trail is not too long. Today was really wet, but I think that is a rarity. At any rate, yep, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.